Hello friends, welcome to Kiran's Kitchen Kingdom. Today we are here with an interesting and an amazing fun, not recipe but homemade kandil. As this is a time of Diwali we are approaching, I would love to share a simple, budget friendly and can be made by any age group. So here we go with our homemade kandil. So these are the material that you will be requiring. This is a light blue sheet. This is an orange sheet. This is a little darker blue, yellow sheet and a golden paper. This is very easily available in the market. Especially I'll mention how thick or thin the paper should be. As and when we proceed with the video, I'll let you know the thickness and how many GSM paper that you need to. This all paper are very easily available. So along with this paper, these are the material that is required: Fevicol, Fevibond, scissor, pencil, eraser and a scale. So with the orange paper, this is a little thick paper. This is around 176 GSM paper that I have bought. These are little thick papers, both of them. Orange paper we require 10 by 10 square, and that too 16 square cutouts. Blue, this is 6 by 6 square. I require 52 cutouts. Once the cutouts are ready, I've made all the cutouts. Now one by one we'll take the cutout and I'll show you how you need to fold it. You need to apply gum, the Fevicol, on the one end, and you just need to fold this like this. See, this is how it will look. You need to hold this for a few seconds so that it gets stick properly to each other. And this is how our cutouts are going to get ready. So this is how my cutouts that I have pasted will look like this. So these are 16 that I have done. Similarly, you will have to do the same, repeat the same with the blue paper, the dark blue paper that we have done 6 by 6. You just need to apply Fevicol on one end and just need to fold it. See guys. So similarly, with the same blue paper that I had shown, a 6 by 6 paper, I have folded all the paper likewise. So this is total 52 that I have pasted and made it ready. You need to let it dry and make sure that you're keeping it apart. एक साथ नहीं रखना है, नहीं तो अगर एक दूसरे से जुड़ गया तो ये पेपर एक दूसरे को चिपक जाएगा. So make sure जब आप उसको ड्राई होने रखते हैं. So as you have seen, we had earlier, I had shown 4 papers. So the dark blue and the orange I had shown how you need to make the petals. Now I'll be showing you how the yellow sheet and the light blue sheet has to be used. So this is a cutout that I have made from the yellow paper. It is 20 centimeter in the breadth and 50 centimeter long. Likewise, this light blue sheet, you need to take 10 centimeter length, or you can say the height, and breadth wise it will be again 50 centimeter. So as we are going to shape up the kandil, I want both the paper's height to be as 50 centimeter. Yellow paper and the blue paper, the length would be 50 centimeter. I'll repeat again. Yellow sheet, it will be 20 centimeter, and blue paper, it will be 10 centimeter. Also, I'll just zoom out. I have kept 1 centimeter lines so that I can stick the other paper here. You will understand as we proceed further. So as you take this 20 centimeter, leave 1 centimeter lines on the each side. Likewise, for the blue paper, take a 10 centimeter and leave 1 centimeter on each side. That will help us to create our kandil base. So here comes the golden paper that I had shown. I have made 2 2-inch boxes, and on the other side I have made 1 1-inch boxes. You need to cut this. Guys, can you see the cutouts of the golden paper? We need to do the finishing of this orange paper. Can you see that we have, can you see how we have overlapped the paper on each other? So it should not look bad on a kandil. What I am going to do is, I am going to hide this with the help of this golden paper. Just apply little bit of Fevicol. Take the golden paper, so this is how it will look like. Likewise, on all the sheets, on all the petals that we have molded, we will be sticking the same golden paper. Guys, as you can see how beautifully my petals look now. So this gives you a finishing to the petal. So whatever overlapping that we have done, it will be covered. So इससे हमारे पेटल्स और भी सुंदर दिखेंगे, हमारा कंदील और भी सुंदर दिखेगा। इसी तरीके से हमने सारे ऑरेंज पेपर को यहाँ पे फिनिशिंग दी है विद द गोल्डन पेपर। इसी तरीके से हम हमारे जितने भी ब्लू शीट्स है जिसको हमने फोल्ड किया है, उसको हम, ये हमारा जो गोल्डन पेपर है, इसको हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर के ब्लॉक्स बना लिए हैं, और ये कट आउट करके हम लाइकवाइज ब्लू वाले पेटल्स पे भी हम उसको लगाएंगे। As we have done for the orange paper, how we have stuck the golden sheets so that ये overlapping जो है इसको हम छुपा सके, इसी तरीके से हम ये blue paper को likewise, ये मैंने golden के cutouts रेडी कर दिए हैं, and this is how I have made. So total हमारे पास 52 है ऐसे petals, हम उन सबको रेडी कर लेंगे। So with this yellow sheet as the base, हम इसके ऊपर ये जो हमने ऑरेंज पेटल्स जो तैयार किए हैं, हम इसको 1 by 1 इसको इसके बीच में प्लेस करेंगे। So this is how my sheet would look like. As you notice, I've kept one space out here ताकि हम जब इसको टर्न करेंगे तो ये ओवरलैप में आएगा। So this is how beautifully I have pasted on the yellow sheet. Now what we'll do is same way we'll repeat for the blue. So what I'm doing is I'm using a Fevi bond, which will help us for a more bonding of these sheets. It will be stuck very nicely, so I'm using a Fevi bond. On this we are going to apply a Fevi bond. As you can see, we have assembled this thing. Can you see this golden paper? मैंने ऐसी इसकी 4 स्ट्रिप्स 1-1 सेंटीमीटर की बनाई है. हम इसको 4 जगह लगाएंगे. दैट इज ये 1-1 सेंटीमीटर का जो हमने लाइनिंग लिया था 1, 2, यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे 4, जिससे उसकी फिनिशिंग और सुंदर आएगी. कैन यू सी, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ये पूरा शीट बन गया है, जिसमें हमारे गोल्डन पट्टी. नाउ इसको सिर्फ हमें फोल्ड करना है और इसके नीचे स्ट्रिप्स लगानी है. विल सी हाउ. फ्रेंड्स, एज यू कैन सी, वी हैव डन द असेंबलिंग. नाउ कैन यू सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट हैज कम. ऑल्सो द प्लेस वेयर वी हैव सी made the joints, you can see a gap here. Now what we'll do is, in this gap we have one more, we'll add here blue petal, orange petal and again a blue petal, so it will give a full finishing. So this is going to be our last step for us. So whatever papers that we have used, these are the left out cutouts of the paper. So we are not, again as I said, we are trying to make a budget friendly lantern, जहाँ पे हमारे पास जितने रिसोर्सेस हैं हम उसी को यूज करेंगे. लाइकवाइज मैंने जो ऑरेंज शीट थी उसके येलो, लाइट ब्लू एंड डार्क ब्लू, इन सब के कटआउट्स लिए हैं. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, इस लैंटर्न के नीचे हैंगिंग में हम इसी को यूज करेंगे. इट्स ओके इफ the cutouts or the length of the strips are little bigger or smaller in size. It doesn't matter, but make sure that you take at least symmetrical 1 centimeter of strips. How long or short it can be as per your wish, but make sure the width of the strips should be 1 centimeter. So finally our kandil is ready. Can you see? It has got a good length also. We have got 3 layers and down we have added this strips. Also what you can do is you can punch inside and add a string.